Panasonic AC Remote Function Explained, Full Beginner Guide. A Panasonic AC remote controls basic functions like power, mode, cool, heat, dry, fan, auto, temperature, up, down, and fan speed, low, med, high, auto, to manage comfort. Plus advanced features like airflow direction, swing, vent oscillation, timer settings, eco, energy saver mode, and sleep mode for optimized cooling, often with smart AI adjustments for efficiency and comfort, and even Nano-X air purification on some models. Here are some common buttons and functions. Power turns the unit on, off. Mode, snowflake, sun, droplet, fan, selects operation mode. Cool, snowflake, heat, sun, dry, droplet, fan, fan icon, auto, arrows. Temperature, plus or minus, adjusts desired temperature. Fan speed, sets fan speed, low, med, high, auto. Airflow direction, controls vertical, up, down, and horizontal, left, right, louvers. Swing, makes vents oscillate for wider air distribution. Timer, on, off, sets specific times for the unit to turn on or off. Eco, energy saver, leaf, eco icon, activates energy saving operation. Sleep, moon icon, adjusts settings for quiet, comfortable sleep, often raising temp slightly over time. Advanced features, model-dependent, AI, artificial intelligence, reads room conditions, temp, humidity, and adjusts settings automatically. Convert 7. Adjusts cooling capacity across 7 levels for efficiency. Nano-X. Purifies the air, on compatible models. Comfort Cloud. Smartphone app for remote control and advanced scheduling, requires Wi-Fi model. Special settings. Temp unit change. Hold a button, e.g., temp up, for approximately 10 secs to switch between degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit. Time format. Hold another button, e.g., timer, for approximately 5 secs to switch 12/24 hour time.